Hi all, today we will talk about Excel formatting, which is very important topic for the beginner who want to work on the Excel. So let's just start. So in this we will learn how to bold the font. So just select the range or cells and click on the B, bold. Okay, and then we have italic. So just click on the I, you will see it is italic now. And for the underline, just select the cell and click on Control U, or click on this for the underline. Okay, and the font size, just select it and increase the font size from here, or you can also use this drop down for the font size. If you want to decrease, you can use this. And for the font colors, just go to the font color, this option, and you can choose whatever the color you want to choose. And for fill color, just go on this option and select any color you want. Okay, and fill color and cell color is the same. And borders, for borders, just select the range and click on this border, all borders. Okay, and alignment, left, right, center, merge, and center. Okay, so for alignment, this is so click on the right alignment, left alignment, and this is the left alignment now. And if you click on this, this is the right alignment. Okay, this is the middle alignment. So you can keep it simple, like whatever the text we have, it should be in the left alignment, and the numbers should be in right alignment. Okay, and you can keep all the you can keep this in center. Okay, so this is now good, and we have done this. And moving to the number formatting. So if we have numbers like 25,000, so if we want to change the same to this, the comma formatting, so just go on this and click on comma formatting. And to remove the uh, decimal, just click here, decrease the decimal. And currency, so to apply the currency format, just type the number and select and use this drop down for the currency. Okay, and decrease the decimal if not required. And uh, if you want to do the percentage 25%, then click the percent and type 25%, so it will be in percent. And for the date, so we have date right, like 1st May 2026. Then click Control 1 and change the font to this. Okay, and for the wrap text and AutoFit, we can use the if we have a long text or sentence, then go to this wrap text. You will see the text has come into the one cell only. Okay, and format center. So suppose I have also other numbers that I want to do the same formatting. So what I will do, I will just click I will type the numbers, and And what I will do, I will just select this and format painter. Click on the format painter and select this. You will see the formatting has been done. Okay, so this is the formatting, and we will learn more in the coming videos. So I hope you find it informative video. So thank you for watching.